Another day, another vlog. For today's video, at my back, we're gonna take off the bearings because the right side is seized. I think the problem is the caliper and the brake, is burned, I think. And I will also replace the whole brake master. Okay, let's go. So still good. I'm gonna clean it only, and we need to order this. That's the number. Japan. And this one. So this is the part number of the bearing. I think this is a 1,500 capacity each side. So that's the part number, and the part number of the other one is this one. That one. Okay, that's it. So let's go. Let's order the parts. So order na tayo ng parts. Na-receive ko na ang picture galing sa pangalan ko. So forward ko lang to sa CM Trailers kay Jennifer. Okay, Jennifer, where are you? Yan, Jennifer. Yan, bearing. Then good day, Jennifer. Tell me what is the part of these bearings. Thank you. Regards, Ronel. Okay. So, ipo-forward ko lang yan. Tapos, sasabihin ni Jennifer kung ano yung part number. Then, ordering ko na. Okay, let's go. Kasi order ako, dalawa. So, yan. Let's go. Ay, nasend na. Hoy, this is the on. Na-clear out ko na. Na-clear out ko lang ito. Konti na lang natira. Okay. So, yun lang yung natira. Pero, nabawasan ko din tong ay almost half of it. Okay. And the rain is so strong.